Yes, good morning, dear students. Our next topic in chapter 3, metals and non-metals, is reactivity of metals. Beta, in my previous video, I told you about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Here I am telling you one more property of metal, means metals की रिएक्टिविटी किस तरह से डिपेंड करती है, कौन सा ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, कौन सा कम रिएक्टिव है, थोड़ा सा हमें आइडिया हो जाता है वो कौन सा ज़्यादा कौन सा कम है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. टॉपिक है रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ मेटल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज रिएक्टिविटी? टेंडेंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट टू रिएक्ट विद अदर सब्सटेंसेस. मीन्स किसकी टेंडेंसी कितनी है, कौन सा एलिमेंट की टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा और किसकी टेंडेंसी कम है, तो एक्टिविटी के अकॉर्डिंग किया है इन्होंने. ऐसे ही फिर एक आती है रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. इनकी रिएक्टिविटी को चेक करके कौन सा मेटल ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, कौन सा कम है, हमने क्या किया है, एक रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज बना दी है. उस सीरीज में ये दिखाया गया कि कौन सा मेटल कम है, कौन सा ज़्यादा. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू डिक्रीजिंग रिएक्टिविटी हम मेटल्स को राइट करेंगे. तो इधर क्या है कि पहले तो आपको ये समझ में आ गया टेंडेंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स टू रिएक्ट विद अदर सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड रिएक्टिविटी. अब एक रिएक्शन करते हैं. ये they used to take the beaker and I will show you the activity in the laboratory. This is a displacement reaction that I am going to show you here. Displacement reaction. Firstly, I will show you the reaction. A reaction means I will show you with the help of activity. I have taken copper sulfate in this beaker, copper sulfate solution, that is blue in color. The name is copper sulfate CuSO4 solution. Take magnesium ribbon like this. This is the magnesium ribbon. Take this piece and dip it in this copper sulfate solution for some time. What will you observe? Listen better. When magnesium ribbon is dipped in copper sulfate solution, I am writing here aqueous. Aqueous means the sulfate, copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate is a blue colored salt. It is dissolved in water. So I am writing here aqueous. This is copper sulfate solution. And magnesium is taken in the form of solid. Now, after some time, what will you observe? MgSO4 plus Cu means this solution becomes transparent after some time. A colorless solution is formed. And suppose this is magnesium ribbon. Suppose this is magnesium ribbon. After some time, you will observe that this magnesium ribbon get coated with brown color substance. इसके ऊपर एक brown color substance आ जाएगा and flaky substance means भुरभुरा सा and some copper sulfate powder type settles at the bottom. Why beta? Because magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Magnesium ने क्या किया है? Just wait. This is an aqueous form plus Cu salt. Listen. मैग्नीशियम ने क्या किया? कॉपर सल्फेट को डिस्प्लेस कर लिया. डिस्प्लेस कर लिया मीन्स मैग्नीशियम कॉपर की जगह चला गया सल्फेट के साथ और कॉपर अलग हो गया. मीन्स पहले क्या था, कॉपर जो है साल्ट के साथ जुड़ा होता और वो वाटर के अंदर डिजोल्व था, वो डिजोल्व था इधर. अब क्या हुआ, कॉपर इससे अलग होगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेटल. आप लोगों ने कॉपर मेटल देखा होगा, रेडिश ब्राउन कलर का होता है. आई एम हैविंग अ रिंग, यू कैन सी इसका कलर क्या है, आप देख सकते हैं इसका रेडिश ब्राउन कलर है. ये कॉपर के रिंग है बेटा। तो ये जो कॉपर है इससे अलग हो गया और कुछ छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स इसके नीचे बैठ गए और ये इसका थोड़ा सा मैग्नीशियम के ऊपर डिपॉजिट हो गया और जो सॉल्यूशन है इट बिकम कलरलेस। सो दिस इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। हियर magnesium is more reactive than copper, so magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate salt solution. So this is displacement reaction. Now if we take reverse of it, reverse means I am taking magnesium sulfate solution and dip this copper in it like this. What you will observe, that I am dipping copper in it. After some time, will you observe any change? Better no, the solution will remain as it is. You won't see any change, the solution will remain as it is. It means the reaction takes place only, means let me write the equation, Cu solid plus MgSO4 aqueous gives CuSO4 plus Mg. No, you are not required to write here like this, but we have to write here no reaction, means no reaction. So this was all about displacement reaction. Now let me tell you the reactivity series. Reactivity series, the series of metals arranged in order of their reactivity, means highly reactive metal to least reactive metal. बेटा उसके लिए मेथड भी लर्न करने का, I will tell you that. कालू, let me take other color. कालू नाम का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है. In your book, reactivity series is given on the page 47. Kalu means potassium, sodium, naam means sodium, calcium. Let me rub this portion so that it will become easy for you. Hydrogen is also there in between. Ka calcium, Mali magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. Because lead is after 10 in your book. One more element is here in your book, Sn, Pb, and hydrogen is not mentioned in your book. Now some more least reactive metals. सबसे महंगा मेटल कौन सा है? मीन्स कॉस्टली, प्लेटिनम. चीपर देन प्लेटिनम इज गोल्ड. गोल्ड से चीप सिल्वर. सिल्वर से चीप मरकरी, कॉपर, and there was hydrogen. So this is reactivity series. These are more reactive and these are least reactive metals. Means reactivity increases in the upward direction. Reactivity increases. Now in my equation what I have taken, look here, magnesium, copper. Here is magnesium and here is copper. Magnesium is more reactive than copper. I have taken the salt of copper as copper sulfate. Means you have to take this one in the metallic form and the lower metal in the form of salt. So I have taken copper sulfate in the form copper in the form of its salt, that is copper sulfate. So magnesium displaces copper, so it becomes magnesium sulfate plus Cu. This reaction is possible and is called displacement reaction. But if I take copper in the metallic form, means elemental form में copper लो और magnesium sulfate ये salt लो, the reaction will not take place. So let me take one more example. If I take iron बेटा की ले लो थोड़े, plus copper sulfate means iron in the elemental form is metallic form में, copper sulfate as aqueous solution, weaker copper sulfate, iron nails, this is copper sulfate which is blue in color, copper sulfate solution, this one is copper sulfate solution, and nails are there in it. These are the nails. What will you observe after some time? Iron being, देखो इधर, iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. So FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu means after some time the solution become green in color beta. This is FeSO4. This one. The solution become green in color and the nails, grey color nails get coated with iron, copper, get coated with copper metal. Means इसके ऊपर copper metal आ जाएगा और कुछ copper metal नीचे आ जाएगा. So the reaction has taken place. Now again if we take the reverse, Cu solid form plus FeSO4 in aqueous form, then no reaction will take place. So this was all about displacement reaction. Go through the topic in your book. Activity is also shown here. In activity 9, the displacement reaction has been shown here beta. Go through it. One more example they have taken, solution of silver nitrate and dipping a copper wire in it. Means silver nitrate means Ag का solution लिया है silver nitrate और उसमें copper को dip किया है, तो the reaction will take place because copper is more reactive than silver nitrate. They have taken the salt solution of silver nitrate.